Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a review of an amazing hair care product, REVLON One-Step Volumizer Hair Dryer and Styler. This product is perfect for those who want salon-style hair at home. In this review, we'll cover all the features, how to use it, and its pros and cons in detail. Stay tuned till the end. Product Overview. REVLON is a globally renowned beauty brand, known for its high-quality hair care, makeup, and skincare products. This one-step volumizer hair dryer and styler is specially designed for those who want to increase hair volume and style their hair effortlessly. It's built to help you achieve beautiful, salon-style blowouts at home with minimal effort. Key features. 1. Improved motor. The product now features an advanced motor that's more durable and efficient. It works faster compared to previous versions. 2. Frizz reduction. It uses innovative technology to minimize frizz, leaving hair silky and smooth. 3. Heat control. This dryer operates at a lower temperature to prevent excessive heat damage, so your hair stays healthy and shiny even with regular use. 4. Volume boosting design. This tool is uniquely shaped to quickly add volume to your hair, giving it that salon-quality thickness and style. 5. Amazon exclusive. This product is exclusive to Amazon, meaning you're getting the best version available directly from the platform. Pros and cons. Pros. Quickly delivers salon-quality blowouts at home. Easy to use with temperature control settings. Excellent for adding volume to hair. Cons. The product may feel a bit heavy, so beginners may need a few tries to get comfortable with it. How to use. 1. Begin by towel drying your hair to remove excess moisture. 2. Turn on the REVLON One-Step Volumizer and work through sections of your hair. 3. Move from the roots to the ends to add volume and style evenly throughout your hair. Customer reviews from Amazon. Here's what some real users on Amazon had to say about this product. Emma R. Absolutely love this. It saves me so much time in the morning and gives my hair a beautiful volume. It feels soft and looks shiny after every use. Michael T. My wife bought this, and she's obsessed. The only downside is that it's a bit heavy, but the results are definitely worth it. Sophia M. This product does an amazing job of adding volume without damaging my hair. I noticed less frizz even after using it regularly. John D. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth every penny if you're looking for an efficient styling tool at home. These customer reviews highlight the time-saving and styling benefits of the REVLON One-Step Volumizer, as well as the shine and volume it delivers with minimal frizz. That's our complete review of the REVLON One-Step Volumizer Hair Dryer and Styler. If you love salon-style blowouts, this tool could be just what you need. To learn more or make a purchase, check out the link in the video description.